If you thought trekking Everest in October was safe, think again. Over 500 hikers just faced a deadly surprise. On October 4th, a sudden snowstorm buried the eastern side of Mount Everest under 3 feet of snow. More than 500 trekkers were caught off guard during China's National Day holiday rush. Rescue teams, including local villagers and yaks, rushed in. Over 350 hikers made it to safety in Kudong, with warm milk tea and food waiting. For more on this, head over to ABC News. Like, subscribe, and share for updates.